Hey guys, Dude, Marine here with another MOS profile. Today talking about 2161s, Machinists. These guys are machinists. If you don't know, they do a lot of fabricating, of different metal stuff. They repair vehicles, weapons, accessories. They can kind of make all the parts for that sort of thing. So in this job, you will have to know how to work on lathes, shapes, mill machines, internal and external grinders, drill presses, saws and cylinders, line board machines, whole bunch of shit. You'll have to know how to work with blueprints, various diagrams, just plain old written specifications, or being told, by somebody, hey, I need you to build this, go. And it appears that the school is in Aberdeen Proving Grounds in Maryland, so it's an Army base. But, it's kind of a cool job. I don't really know exactly what sort of work or what companies, you'd be able to get on when you get out of the military. But being able to know all this stuff would be pretty huge, I would think. Because you know how to make shit, and that's huge. Knowing how to repair stuff, knowing how to just plain old make stuff is excellent. Got to have normal color vision. I don't believe you can get a waiver for having, for being colorblind at all. Yeah, not a ton else about it. I don't really know how long the MOS school is, but it's kind of a cool job. Being able to fix shit, that's tough to beat. So yeah, all right, guys. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, hit me up, and I will see you in the next one. Semper Fi.